Good morning, Global Studies students. Mr. Rosine here again. I hope that everybody has had a wonderful first few days of school. I want to start out by doing an introductory video for the week. You are going to be watching several videos this week as we start in the process of writing our first piece of writing that is focused on a world problem. So with this, all I want to do is walk you through each day. All right, and you will see other videos to come. So today on Thursday, we are going to review the instructions. Mr. Gallagher has made a video that is going to introduce this topic and this piece of writing that we are going to be watching. You will watch that next. All right, your brainstorming document. I know many of you did this on Wednesday. You are going to look at this today. You are then going to be doing some background reading as mentioned. All right, and again, please go back and watch today's video on Mr. Gallagher on the world problem essay instructions. It will help you out. Friday, we are going to actually begin our research process. With this, there will be two videos we're going to watch, and then we're going to be using a note card strategy, using what I call virtual note cards or digital note cards, and that will basically be slides on Google Slides. As you can see, then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week, we are going to be focusing on research. All right, so you are going to be getting all of your research done in your time that's dedicated to global studies. I also will remind you this week as well, you might want to keep in mind CNN News. Okay, remember your 4 reflections are due on Friday, September 25th. Many of you have asked, do I submit each day after I watch? No. You will submit the one document that you are taking the research on, that you are taking your reflection on, on the 25th. All right, there's one document, and as you look at it, there's 4 slots where you write the date and then your reflection on there. That's all you have to do. All right, have a wonderful week. Again, this week is going to focus in on the piece of writing that we're doing. All right, so you're going to want to follow along with the videos for each day and make sure you're checking out these instructions, and I think it should be a really good week. Talk to everybody later. A and B, we'll see you in class this week. C, we will see you next Tuesday at 2:15 for our Zoom session.